Can you imagine starting 2026 with a business that not only pays the bills, but gives you back your time? That feeling of control and financial freedom is something I want you to experience. That's why I'm bringing you 15 business ideas specifically for the UK market that can make money flow to you. Before going forward, keep in mind that these all ideas may not be suitable for everyone. Try to find the idea that fits you best and work on it. I will release a new video as soon as possible to show you how to find your first 3 customers in any business. So please subscribe and stay tuned.
Plant care service provider. Maintaining indoor plants for offices, cafes, and busy professionals is a business that breathes life into spaces. Busy professionals want the greenery but lack the time to water and prune. You step in as the expert. You visit once a week, water, dust the leaves, and ensure everything is thriving.
You charge a monthly retainer fee for peace of mind. It's a business that brings nature indoors and puts recurring revenue in your pocket.
Number 2, meal prep assistant.
Preparing weekly meal portions for students or elderly people is a service that solves a daily headache.
What's for dinner? You go to their home or use a rented kitchen, cook healthy batches for the week, and pack them up. People pay for the convenience and the health benefits. You charge for your time and groceries.
It's a business that fuels others and keeps your schedule flexible.
Number 3, bicycle repair mobile service. Fixing bikes on site at university campuses or offices is a convenience people love. Instead of dragging a broken bike to a shop, you bring the workshop to them in a van or cargo bike. You handle punctures, brake adjustments, and tune-ups right there in the car park. Cyclists pay a premium for the speed and ease.
It's a business that keeps the UK moving and profits rolling in.
Number 4, pet walking and sitting coordinator. Organizing pet care in student-dense neighborhoods is more than just a walk in the park. You build a network of reliable walkers and manage the bookings through an app or website. Busy owners pay for trust and reliability. You take a commission on every walk managed.
You don't have to walk every dog yourself. You just manage the schedule. It's a business that scales with every new pet in the neighborhood.
Number 5, decluttering and organization consultant.
Helping people organize their homes is a booming trend as people look to downsize or simplify.
You use minimalist principles to help clients sort through years of stuff. You sell the feeling of calm and order. Rates are hourly or per project. People are happy to pay to reclaim their space from chaos. It's a business that clears the mess and fills your bank account. Number 6, urban gardening installer. Setting up balcony gardens for flat dwellers brings a patch of countryside to the city. You design and install vertical planters, herb boxes, and small space systems. You buy the materials, install them, and leave the client with a beautiful, edible garden.
It's a creative service that transforms concrete into green, profitable spaces.
Number 7, elderly companion and errand runner.
Providing company and running errands for senior Clintons is a business with heart.
You help with grocery shopping, pharmacy trips, or just have a cup of tea and a chat. Families pay you to ensure their loved ones are not lonely and have what they need. It's a service that gives back to the community while providing a steady income. Number 8, clothing alteration and repair service. Offering tailoring and visible mending is huge as sustainability trends grow. Instead of throwing clothes away, people want to fix zippers or hem trousers. You can work from home, receive items, fix them, and return them.
It's a skilled trade that saves money for clients and generates profit for you.
Number 9, local tour guide for hidden gems.
Creating walking tours of lesser-known neighborhoods turns your local knowledge into cash. You just need a route and a story. Tourists and locals book online for a unique weekend experience. You show them street art, history, and cool cafes. It's a business where you get paid to walk and talk about what you love.
Number 10. Subscription Box Curator. Creating niche monthly boxes for local delivery is an idea that hooks people. You curate items like regional snacks or eco products. You don't make the products, you package them into an experience. People subscribe for the surprise, and you earn recurring monthly revenue.
It's a business that runs on logistics and creativity.
Number 11. Indoor Air Quality Specialist.
Testing and improving air quality in homes is a modern health necessity.
You use monitors to check for pollutants and suggest plant-based or purification solutions. Health-conscious parents and office managers pay for the data and the solution. It's a business that sells health and peace of mind. Number 12. Composting Consultant.
Setting up compost systems for households and small restaurants is a green service.
You teach them how to reduce waste and turn it into soil without the smell. You charge for the setup and maintenance checks. It's a business that grows with the eco-boom, helping the planet while you earn. Number 13. Second-hand Furniture Flipper. Collecting and upcycling furniture is like treasure hunting. You find old pieces, sand them, paint them, and resell them for a profit. Creative painting techniques add value that buyers love.
OnGig. It's a business where your sweat equity turns into cold hard cash.
Number 14. Personal Shopping Assistant for Sustainable Fashion.
Helping clients find quality secondhand items saves them time and reduces waste.
You hunt through vintage stores and online marketplaces to find the gems they are looking for. Clients pay for your eye and your time. It's a business for those with style who want to make money from their passion. Number 15. Mobile Knife Sharpening Service.
Visiting homes and restaurants to sharpen tools is a service everyone needs but forgets to do. You bring your equipment to their doorstep and sharpen kitchen knives, garden shears in minutes. Chefs and home cooks pay instantly for the sharp edge. There is low overhead, and the results are immediate. These 15 ideas could be your path to financial freedom in 2026. Just remember that taking the first step is the most important part. Tell me, which of these ideas do you think is the most profitable? Leave it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.